Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the second chapter. Chapter name is let us use the graticules. Last chapter we were learn about the what is the graticule, what is the longitude, what is the latitude. You observe this figure and get the answers. Hmm? Figure 2.1 globes. Observe the globe and answer the following. What are the horizontal lines on the globe called? Last period or last chapter we will learn about this. What are the horizontal lines on the globe is called? What called the horizontal line on the globe? The horizontal line on the globe is called as the latitude. Parallel of the latitude. List the observe this figure 2.1 and give the answer of these questions. List the continents and the oceans through which in the equator passes. That means the continents, which continents and the which oceans through which equator passing. Then continent through which equator is South America, Africa and Asia. And then oceans through which the equator passing Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Encircle the intersection of zero meridians and zero parallel on the globe. That means here in the figure, here I show here the encircle the insect zero meridian and zero parallel on the globe. The next question, which oceans are spread in all the four hemispheres? Which oceans are spread in all the four hemispheres? Which oceans? Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. That means these two oceans which are spread in the all four hemispheres. The next question, which continents are spread in the all the four hemispheres? That means which continents are spread in all four hemispheres? Africa continent is spread all the four hemispheres. That means the Africa continents are spread in the four hemisphere. And last question, at which two parallel do all the meridian converge? That means converge means to meet. That means at two parallel all the meridians meet. Where? North pole and south pole. You understand? Next, when we talk about the various places, regions, rivers, roads, etc., we are actually talking with the reference of the earth, the location of place and the extent, region and extent of any linear feature can be described precisely with the help of parallel and meridians. Let us see how to use the graticule for this purpose. That means in this chapter we will learn about the use of the graticules. That means here the road, the river, the place, these are actually talking with the reference of the earth. But in this chapter today we are going to learn about the use of the graticules. Verify the following description with the help of world map and globe in the school. That means this is this question is related to the our globe. While describing the location place, we need to consider only one parallel and meridian. That means the Delhi is located 28 degree 36 minute 50 north latitude and the 77 degrees 20 minutes 3 seconds east longitude. For the describe the extent of region, we need to consider two parallel and two meridian at the extreme end of the region. For example, the extent of Australia is described as 10 degree 30 minutes south and 43 degrees 39 minutes south latitude, and 113 degrees east to 153 east longitude. That means for the describing the extent of linear feature like river, road, etc., we need to consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal point. That means we describing the extent for the linear feature like the rivers and roads. That means we describing the describing linear features like a river, road. We need to consider the latitude and also longitude of their terminal point. For example, the river Nile in Africa originated in Lake Victoria, flow north and meet the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in the Egypt. The location of the Lake Victoria is 0 degrees 45 minutes 21 south latitude and 33 degrees 26 minutes 80 east longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is 31 degrees 12 minutes north latitude and 29 degrees 55 minutes 7 east longitude. These latitude and longitudes are considered to describe the extent of the river Nile. This extent is from 0 degree 45 minutes south latitude and 33 degrees 26 east longitude, origin to 31 degrees 12 minutes north latitude and 29 degrees to 55 east latitude up to the mouth. That means here given two example. That means here first example the given here describing the extent of region. We need to consider two parallel and two meridian at the extreme end of the region. That means when we describing the any extent region, you know na, extent, that means the vistar spread of any region, needs to consider the parallel and two meridian at the extreme end of this region. That at that time we describing the extent of region needs to consider the two parallel and two meridian at the extreme end of this region. For example, the extent of Australia. Here given the one example, extent of Australia is described as, that means when we, that means here given one example to here the example of the extent of Australia. म्हणजे ऑस्ट्रेलियाचा जो विस्तार आहे तो जर आपल्याला कन्सिडर करायचा असेल तर त्यासाठी दोन गोष्टी महत्त्वाच्या आहेत, द पॅरलल अँड टू मेरिडियन्स. द पॅरलल अँड मेरिडियन्स काय आहेत, इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. तर नेक्स्टला बघा, तर ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज डिस्क्राईब ॲज द 10 डिग्रीज अँड 30 मिनिट्स साऊथ. आणि त्यामुळे ऑस्ट्रेलियाचा जो एक्सटेंट आहे किंवा विस्तार स्प्रेड आहे तो कुठं आहे, 10 डिग्रीज 30 minutes south to 43 degrees 39 south latitude and 113 east to 153 east longitude. Here given one example. Next example, for describing the extent of linear feature like जर आपण एखाद्या लिनियर फीचरचं जर आपल्याला एक्सटेंट डिस्क्राइब करायचं असेल तर ॲज लाईक अ रिव्हर, रोड, we need to consider the latitude and longitude for their terminal point. At that time there are longitude and latitude are also important. Here given one example, the river Nile in Africa originated in Lake Victoria. Here given one example of river Nile and these rivers originate in Lake Victoria. Flow north and meet the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. Here इथे एक उदाहरण दिलेलं आहे, रिवर नाईल. The location of Lake Victoria is 0 degrees 45 minutes 21 second latitude. That means this rivers, that means Nile is originated in the Lake Victoria, and Lake Victoria is a 0 degrees 45 minutes 21 seconds south latitude, and the 33 degrees 26 minutes 18 east longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is what is the what is the location of the Alexandria? Alexandria location is the 31 degrees 12 minutes north latitude, and 29 degrees 55 minutes 7 seconds east latitude. These latitude and longitude are considered to describe extent of river Nile. That means here given the latitude and also given the longitude, and this latitude and longitude which helpful for the describing the extent of the river Nile. म्हणजे river Nile चा extent spread डिस्क्राइब करण्यासाठी आपल्याला लोकेशन लॉन्जिट्यूड आणि लॅटिट्यूड ह्या दोन्ही गोष्टी काय आहेत इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. दिस एक्सटेंट इज फ्रॉम 0 degrees 45 minutes south latitude and 33 degrees 26 east latitude originated to 31 degrees 12 north latitude and 29 degrees 55 east latitude up to the mouth. That means this latitude and longitude, these are two important concepts for the describe the extent of river Nile or any place. Here given next point, let us see graticles. Let us use of the graticle. Answer the following questions about the location and extent with the help of figure 2.3. This chapter is related to the only practical work, or this related to the map. Here given a map of the Brazil, physical map. This is the map of the which country? The Brazil country. And here given some questions related to this. Which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia? Here you observe this figure and give the answer of this question. Here, which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital of the Brasilia? You understand the which is the capital of the Brasilia? Which is the capital of the Brazil? Brasilia is the capital of the Brazil. And here question is, which is the latitude and longitude define the location of the capital Brasilia? Brasilia. That means here given, you observe here figure. Here is a Brasilia. Here is a Brasilia. And here, that means here Brazil located as here. Which direction? In this map, this is the south direction, and this is the south direction, and this is the west direction. Here ask a question, which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital Brasilia? That means here is the Brasilia. Here is the Brasilia. That means here direction, which direction? The direction south direction. That means here Brasilia consider to here. That means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. That means this Brasilia located in the 60 degrees south latitude, and here the west, here the Brasilia. Brasilia near to the 15. That means here 48 degree west. Here is the west direction here given here. That means the Brasilia located in the 16 degrees south and 48 degrees west. You understand how to measure this latitude and longitude? The next question: what would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spread from 5 degrees 15 minute north to 33 degrees 45 minute south latitude? आता here given question ask 5 degrees 15, that means 5 degrees, that means here 5 degrees to 15 minutes north here, that means here. Five degrees, which there. Next question, that means the 73. Answer of this question is 73 degrees 59 west to 34 degrees 47 west longitude would be longitude extent of Brazil that spread from the 5 degree to 15 north to 33 degrees 54 latitude. Next question: in which hemisphere does the Brazil extend in the north and south direction? In which hemisphere the Brazil also extend in both hemisphere? That means north and south hemisphere is in north and south direction. That means answer of this question is south hemisphere, north and south hemisphere. Next question: in which then which parallel and meridian should be used to describe the event of the river Savo Franciscus? That means which parallel of meridian should be used to describe the extent river Savo Franciscus? That means there is the given Savo Franciscus. Here given Savo Franciscus. Here ask a question: which parallel meridian should be used to describe? That means from the 21 south. That means here Savo Franciscus. Here given 21 Savo Franciscus 21 degrees south parallel and 47 30 degrees 47 and 30 degrees west meridian to 7 degrees 30 south parallel and the 33 degrees 30 west meridian should be used to describe the extent of river Savo Franciscus. And last question: describe the location of Marijo Island using the graticle. Describe the location island of the Marijo Island. Here Marijo Island, that means location of Marijo Island using the graticle can be described 0.04 north parallel and 55 west meridians. 55, that means here 51 west meridians and the 0.0 north parallel, that means here Marijo Islands. You understand this map, students? You in your textbook this map is given Brazil physical. You carefully observe and solve this question in your notebook. Thank you.